Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. I just want to start by saying thank you, muchísimas gracias to each and every single one of you guys who has supported and loved the channel along this way. My last video that I put up, which if you haven't seen, I'll post it up here, did absolutely amazing, more than what I ever expected to, and since then I've gained a lot of new subscribers. So bienvenidos a la familia, welcome to my little family here on YouTube. If you are new here to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the little bell, that way you are aware of any single time that I do post any new videos on here. I do tend to post about beauty, lifestyle, and self-care with an occasional vlog, but sometimes I don't do it, so I don't like to say vlog channel. But yeah, like I said, welcome to the family. I really appreciate each and every single one of you guys. And also, before I get started, I also want to send mad love to everyone. I hope that you guys are all staying safe and healthy during these times, and of course the new year 2021. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a Colourpop haul today. A couple of weeks, I'll show you guys what this is because I need to go ahead and show you guys how freaking adorable this little the child is, and I have him on here because I wanted to show you guys him whenever I show you guys the palette that's about to be in this box, but he will not stop talking. So anyway, I'll show you guys later. But anyway, okay, so yeah, a couple of weeks ago there was a sale on Colourpop, which was like 25% off, and I decided to go a little ham. I love Colourpop. If you don't know what it is a makeup, beauty, they have skincare as well brand, and they are stationed, I believe, in Los Angeles. They're cruelty-free, vegan, all that good stuff. I really enjoy them. I love the products. I love the skin. I just love all of it. But they be throwing things out there like every single week. There's something new, and I can't keep up. So there comes a point in time where I just wait till there's a nice little sale, and I decide to just go crazy. So this is the box that I did receive from Colourpop. As you can see, it is bursting with joy, and it says Colourpop at the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and dig right into this because there is like a little bit of products in here. So the first two things that I have here that I did decide to try out is the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. Everything that I do show in the video, I will post down in the description box, of course, so you guys can check out. This one is in the shade Light 45W. I have not tried their concealers, but I have heard pretty good things about it. This is what this one actually looks like. It is a little light, but you know, we'll see. And next thing over here we have is a hydrating foundation. I tend to use their tinted moisturizer, and I absolutely love it. I usually have it like in a lighter shade and a darker shade, and depending on my skin shade at that time, I might mix them or I might wear either or. But that's the tinted moisturizer. This one is a hydrating foundation. It is in the shade Medium 80W. When I went ahead and I looked at the girls that were wearing it, and I kind of tried to put it to my complexion as much as I can. So I will go ahead and put a picture of with the girl with the concealer right here and a girl with the foundation right here. So that way you guys can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. It comes in this little jar. I think it's plastic, but 100 fluid ounces in it. And I'm really excited to try that because, like I said, I usually do the tinted moisturizer. So, all right, let's move on to some lip stuff. Okay, so during the holiday season, Colourpop did release a lot of different like vaults, how do you say vaults, of holiday stuff, and this is one of them. This is the Lux Lip Vault. It's called Lux of the Party. This is what the packaging looks like. It is mad cute. It comes with one of those 3, 4, 5 Lux lips. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Okay, the first one is just your regular little clear one. It's a nice size. This one is called Dewdrop. I don't even know if I should swatch this because literally it's probably just going to be clear. I mean, it is clear, obviously. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Clear. Next one we have here is Tricky. It's more like a pink with a little bit of glitter. It's mad pretty. Okay, hopefully the light grasps it. It does have like a little pinky matte shade with a little bit of sparkle in it. Next one here we have Candy Kiss. This one is definitely nicer. It has like a mauve tone with a little bit of shimmer in it. Hopefully you guys can actually see. I'm leaving them all side by side so you guys can actually take a look at them all. The next one here we have is Room Service. This is more hitting, ooh, this is definitely a little bit darker. So we're going from lightest to darkest. And this is actually really pretty. Kind of has like a darker terracotta color right there. And there it is. All right, and last but not least in this vault is called It's a Banger. Ooh, I really like the way this one's looking. Oh my, yeah, that's mad pretty. That's a little bit more towards the reddish shade, and that's what it looks like. So this little vault is mad cute. I will leave it down in the description box if you guys are interested. I do love the quality of their lippies. All of them, but especially these. I just love how they feel, the texture. They're not too sticky or creamy or runny or anything like that. They're just perfect. So I really wanted to try that one out, so I'm excited I did get that one. And moving on. Okay, while we talk about lippies and Colourpop, like I did say, I do love them a lot. So I decided to invest in this little vault right here. This is the Lippie Stick Stash Cup. I kind of like it obviously because it has a little cup for you to hold all your lippies. And let me just show you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, so check this out. These are all the colors that come in here. And I don't know how many I mean. Hold on. Okay, so this little cup has 19 shades in it. It has a primer, it has browns, pinks, oranges. Let me go ahead and just show you a couple. If you don't know what they actually look like, this is what they look like. It has like a little white cap, it just pops right off. And it goes up like that. So this one is Casanova. Alright, they perform so nicely. I just did a couple little swatches from left to right. Like I said, the first one was Casanova. Then we have Little Tings, followed by 1000%. And the other one is Chai Chai or Chi Chi? Chi Chi? Chai Chai? I don't know. But that's what they look like. Like I said, you have 19 in this. I think this is such a cool little thing. And I love that it has the cup. So I'm mad excited to try those out. And since we are on the topic of lippies, I went ahead and I did also purchase the Lippie Pencil Stash Cup. Now this one, I don't really own too many, como se dice, like the lip pencils. But the ones that I do own are from Colourpop, and I really do like them a lot. So I decided to get the little bundle like this. And this one comes with 30, guys, Colourpop messed up. I'm so confused right now. This even comes, hold on, this is insane. Okay, so one of them is the Lippie Stick Stash Cup. That's the Lippie Sticks. And this one is supposed to be the Lippie Pencil. It's supposed to come with 36 lippies, and they didn't send the right one. They actually sent the same one as this one before. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm obviously not going to open this one. I'm going to leave this right over here. But I am a little bummed out about that because I was looking forward to the other one and I did pay for it. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get rid of that one or not, like to bring this back. But I guess I can't show you that. But I will show you what the one that I did want looks like. I posted up here. It has 36 lip pencils, and I really do like the way they perform. I wish they performed better on delivering them, but you know, what are we gonna do? Okay, moving on. Okay, so as we talk about pencils, they did send the Gel Liner Vault, which is one that I did really want. This is what this one looks like. This one comes with one of those 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13 lip liners. I really love these as well. I do have a few of them in other different shades.
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyway, I do love how well these all perform because they're just really soft and creamy and they glide very nicely. I will show you a couple of swatches. This one right here is Joyride. And we have a cool silver one here. Oh my gosh, wow, this is mad creamy and really pretty. This one is Rocker. No, oh my gosh, I can't read that. Kicker. Sheesh. It's that little silver one. And let's do one more. Okay, and this little gold one right here is called Dirty Talk. Hopefully you can see it. It's really pretty. This is another one of those little vaults that I just think is so beneficial because it has all the colors that you would usually pretty much look for. So that's that one. Alrighty, as we talk about eyes, I did invest in this one. This is a Jelly Much Shadow. This is the shade She Grown. I actually purchased one recently from them. I think I bought it from Ulta though, and I really loved the way it performed on the eyes. So I went ahead and I got a new one. Okay, I will say this was a bitch to open, but this is what it actually looks like. It is really pretty. Like I said, it is like a gel cream, but you can put this on your eyes, and that's what it actually looks like. I will say this one is a little bit, I don't know, hard to open and just a little clumpy, I feel like. What is going on, Colourpop? I was talking so nice about you guys and I don't know what's going on. But it is what it is. That is what She Grown looks like. It's really pretty color though. Okay, next thing by Colourpop here. I did invest in some glitter. This is called Glam Rock. It is yellow. Hopefully I can open it. Ah, there we go. Okay, and that's what that one looks like. Let me go ahead and swatch that one for a second. It is definitely like a little jelly kind of color. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And there it is. It's right underneath that little reddish one. It has like a yellow glittery tone. It's mad pretty, especially to put over a bare lid or just to kind of give it an extra sparkle. Alright, so now let's make it to the fun part. This is one of the ones that I was really wanted. If you guys do watch Star Wars, I'm sure you guys know what the Mandalorian is. And this is the child's, actually it's called Mandalorian, the child's palette. It kicked off in Colourpop, I think a couple of months ago. It did sell out pretty quickly, and I know it's been sold out a few times, so when it did come back, I decided to go ahead and definitely get it. This is what the little palette looks like, and of course it is, oh my god, cutest in the galaxy is what it says up here, and these are your shades. That's the reason why I originally had my little homeboy right here, because I just thought it was so cute. Look, and then when you rub his head, he just makes little noises. Now he's probably gonna be talking the whole time. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys, but these are some of the shades. Hold on. Okay, so these are some of the swatches. It is a 9-pan palette, but I just gave you guys 6 little swatches so you can kind of see what it does look like. I just think it looks really pretty, and I do know that they perform very nicely. They feel really creamy and just very nicely swatching. Does that make sense? Swatching, yeah. But anyway, yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see like a little look or something, a little look that I'll create with something. Definitely let me know, and I could definitely do that for you guys with this palette. Moving on to the next thing in the box that I did get, and I've been wanting forever. This is the collaboration that Colourpop did with Kathleen Lights. It is called the So Jaded Palette. Now, let me tell you, I love Kathleen Lights. If you are watching this video, you probably definitely already know who she is. I will say, when I first saw this palette, I was kind of like, okay, it's pretty. But as time went on by, and it's like, I've watched her videos in the past, and then I'm like, oh, I wonder what she's wearing. And she's wearing this palette. I'm like, all right, I gotta invest in it. I just didn't want to invest in it right away, but I had to during the sale, because this is what the palette looks like. As you can see, it has beautiful shades and nice shimmers. I don't know, it just looks absolutely beautiful. Like this one called right here Emerald. Like, hold on, Emerald. Oh god, I can never pronounce stuff like that. Peridot? Peridot, I don't know. Look at that one there. And let's try this one right here. It's Ruby. And one more. Ooh, Fluorite. That is pretty. So this is definitely inspired by like crystals and stuff like that, which obviously is something that has been very trendy lately. So she definitely did a great job with this, and why not show you guys, and why not purchase the palette, I guess you could say. Also, let me know if you do want to see any kind of look, a simple look, because obviously I always tell you guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm not a makeup guru. I literally started doing my makeup like a year ago, which is crazy. So if you are interested in a nice little simple look with the So Jaded palette, of course, definitely let me know. Last but not least, right here, one of the palettes I did get. I know I got a couple of months ago, I have received the Bare Necessities one, which is a lot of colors, you know, kind of matte neutral palette. I decided to go ahead and invest in Stone Cold Fox palette. One of my girlfriends here on YouTube did receive it, and she did a cool video, and I was so intrigued by it. So, of course, I had to get it during the sale. Oh my god, why am I dropping everything today? Hold on. And this, oh my god, this is so much prettier in person. I'm really glad I did get this. This is a little bit more cooler tone colors. It has more pinkish, actually really pink, silver, darker colors right here. They are absolutely gorgeous. And this one has, how many does this one have? 30 different shades, which I forgot to mention that the So Jaded one has 30 shades as well. So for the price, and with 25% off, I really couldn't beat it. Let me go ahead and, I don't know, show you guys how they look. This one is so fine. Ooh, Magnetic Moon looks beautiful. It's like an icy, almost blue. Let's go by Hard Place. And then, una más. Let's do Gravity Hill. Okay. Oh my gosh, they actually swatch really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, I really am happy that I did purchase this one, because I was kind of hesitant. I was like, I don't really need that palette, nor do I need any more palettes, but you know, why not? Okay, so last but not least, I know that I said, I think that was the last one, but I did end up receiving with this, I didn't receive nothing. This one, when it launched, the Stone Cold Fox palette, it did release also with a little bundle of brushes. And this one, I wanted for a little while, but honestly, I really don't need any more brushes. But I decided to go ahead and invest in this one during the sale. And this is what the actual little bundle looks like. So as you can see, it has a little bit of everything. Let me pull this out. This face brush, look at this, it's like matte soft, and like I did mention before, everything is vegan and cruelty free, so that's always a plus. You have something for your face, all the way down to a little like eye pencil as well, which is really, really pretty as well. I love the color of it. It actually does go in combination with the Stone Cold Fox palette, just like the Bare Necessities had launched their own little individual, I guess, brush set too. And I really like that one too. I want to say, I do have that. Okay, guys, I feel and I think, yeah, that is all she wrote in here. Of course, they sent me this little thing that said Happy Holidays by Colourpop, from Colourpop. All right, cool. That's the haul that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I wanted to kind of get a little bit of everything. Let me know what you thought about it. Hopefully they are able to get me those little lip pencils, and if I do, I'll probably make like a little story on my Instagram, that way you guys can actually see what they do look like. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. Let me know if there's anything in particular that you guys want to see next from me. And with that being said, muchísimas gracias. I love you guys. Have a great day. Ciao.